Hi friends, so remember I had this big question of what to put on these two new bookshelves that I just got in my living room. So I had to kind of expand my coloring book section because I did end up getting a few more coloring books, and I also got some more markers, so I needed a place to store them, so that top shelf would just be an extension of the coloring books. So I think I do know what I want to put here. So we're gonna be moving some things over today. I think the rest of this shelf, I think I'm gonna do nonfiction. So I'm hoping that my writing books can fit like in these two sections, and then my other non-fictiony books like self-help and anything else can fit on these three shelves. And depending on how many books of each, I might have to switch them up. So if I have a ton of writing books, I don't remember, but I could do this, the three shelves and then the other two shelves, but we shall see. I still don't know about this other like long shelf. We, I don't know. I'll have to really think. What do I have that will all fit on this shelf? But let's get started with this one now. And here's a cute kitty. Okay, we are really cramped over here, but so these are my finance books. These are like self-help and biographies and things like that. So I'll be moving these two shelves. And then over here is like my writing shelves. I really like that. I think I also have some self-help over here as well. Yeah, so this little part here is self-help, and then these are writing. So we're gonna just move everything and see what fits on which shelf. So let's get started with that. Okay, last one. Okay, so we have a lot of writing books. So writing will have to be the three shelves for sure. So let's do self-help on this top shelf. No, this goes on the bottom. Great. I don't know if self-help and like work-related stuff. Writing, self-help. Great. I don't know what I'm going to do with this instead. Self-help. I'm going to reorganize this. Finance. Yeah. All right. So all the finance we'll put together. I think I have one dating book. Yes, one dating book. We'll do like general self-help at the front. Self-care. This. How to influence people, this, and then dating, and then I think these are like work-related self-help books. So yeah, barely a full shelf for these. And then we need to put this somewhere. Let's do that. Right, so the next shelf would be like my memoirs. Do I care about Candace Owens books? I don't even know if I'm going to read Spare, to be honest. Because I just feel like I wanted this, but like, I don't know if I care enough. I think I'm gonna unhaul this and definitely unhauling Candace's. Super excited about these two, so I will keep. Excited about this one, definitely want to read this still, so I will keep. This is like poetry. I'm gonna put off to the side. Jennifer Lewis, thick. Excited about these two. Let's put the paperbacks over here. Taraji P. Henson, Amanda Seales, definitely still want to read those. I think I'm gonna unhaul this. I don't really care. Carrie Hilson, I do love her, so let's keep her. Jamie Foxx, I'll read. Oh, my Nancy Drew book. I have to keep that. All right, we have a few true crime books. I still think I could read this, so I think I'm gonna put these in front. I don't have a ton of these. So let's do that. This is like how to organize your home book. And I think these would be better on this first shelf. Let's put it here. Okay. I have two of these books. Why are all the black kids sitting together in the cafeteria? I'm gonna keep this one, I guess, and haul this one. And I think that's it for that. The rest is writing. So I did make the best decision to put the writing stuff here. Okay, so unhauling those. So let's do this in that way. Those are like little games related to writing. I'm gonna keep those. I have another one I should probably put over here too. All right, so let's just put like the smaller ones up here, and let's put bigger stuff down there. That might work. Let's see. I don't think I want to get rid of any of my writing books, because I feel like these are all important to me. Probably should organize based on like the topics, because some things it's about grammar, some things about publishing. Yeah, let's do that. So these are grammar, writing, copy editing, grammar. So let's do that. Let's actually put the grammar stuff here. All right, so grammar. Writing, grammar. I think this is grammar as well. The little brown handbook. Yeah, definitely grammar. And then we have stuff about publishing, so I guess I'll put that here. Right, copy editing. Publishing. Let's just put this here because I might need to make another one. Writing your novel. So these are just like writing. This is like more of a tool. This is also like a tool. Writing. Okay. Oh, this is too big. Oh, there it is. Okay. Writing. Okay. Imaginative writing and writing. Okay. Writing science fiction, writing erotic novels. The complete guide to being a writer. Everything you need to know about craft, inspiration, agents, editors, publishing. I guess this will go here too. This is too big. I might go down this. All right. Page 1 and done. Save the cats. These are like crafts. All right, so I think we can separate it a little bit more based on like writing versus like publication, but we might see. All right, so this is like the technical, like how to write. So let me see if I can like, because these are publication and like how to like navigate once you've done it, you know? Oh wait, we have more self-help. The Let Them theory. Oh, these are nonfiction. Okay, the Let Them theory for sure. Self-help, so it would go on a top shelf. This one I'm gonna unhaul. This is narcissistic abuse. I'm never gonna read that. Cass, I'll keep it because I feel like I want to read it, but I don't know. The Negro Motorist Green Book. This is like a historical one. I have to keep it just for that. Hood Feminism, On Girlhood, and Paris's memoir. Keeping all of these. Let me see if I can fit them up here. So let's see. Paris's memoir will go here. On Girlhood, we'll put all of these here. Cass. The Let Them theory is self-help. So we'll do here. Okay, I think everything fits. There are like, there's a space here that I kind of want to put something, but I don't know what. All right, so I think for the writing, I want to separate, I at least want to organize them based on like technical, is it like how to write versus like how to manage the writing process? Like I feel like that's different. Like this actually tells you how to write. Okay, and then there's some things that are going to be like how to publish, how to copy. Copy editing might actually be grammar, I think. That's like reviewing. This is, no, woman. Okay, so these are tools, so let's do the 1 minute writer. These are micro prompts, so it will be more of a tool. This one is, I think this one is how to write as well. But this is like for kids, but I always love, yeah, so this is like creating stories. All right, I'm gonna put it in its own group. This one is how to write. This is more technical. Also technical. I love this one. I actually read it and annotated it and everything. This is amazing. This is more about like the full process, not necessarily how to write. So I'll put it here. This is how to write. This is how to write. This is basically about like full process. How to write. How to write. Let's see. I feel like this is kind of like the full process. I need to get back to this because I think I started it. I think this is how to write. This is Stephen King's book. If you don't have the time to write, you don't have the time or the tools to write. Huh. I want to say this is more like, I feel like this is more like the overall process. Like he's doing more than telling you how to write the story. I think this one is more how to write as well. This one is how to write, how to write, how to write, and how to write. All right, so I think we're good here. So let's put these all on the shelf. And then we have some craft books. So I'll separate those so that I'll just, I think I have some cards I can put here. This one is more writing process. So we're gonna put these down here. Anything that tells you about the full writing process, like everything all encompassing, not just on focusing on writing. These are focusing on how to write your story. These are like tools on like things to help you write your story, like big tools. This is all about grammar. Okay, this is like a little game as well, so I just needed the space for it. And then this is like the entire process, like everything you need to know, publishing, how to do it with a job, all of that stuff. So I think I really like this. I'm gonna let me go and find those cards so that this doesn't move. And I think we're good. We've got the self-help and like non-fiction-y stuff here. Then we have my writing stuff here. This is like the perfect amount of space. I still have space to get more books if I would like on like writing or nonfiction. So let me do that. So here are the cards that I got. This is like crafting stories. So it's basically another tool to show you how to like craft and write. So we're gonna put that over here, right here. Yep, and it fits perfectly in here and it stops this from moving. So I love this. So I'm going to give you guys like a full let's look. So this is the full shelf. So up here, we start off with my finance stuff that stops here. And then we're going over to like one dating book. Obviously, it's not a priority for me right now. Then we have a few books about like work and, you know, things like that. And then we head into like my self-help stuff. So this is all the way over here. Well, till here. No, to here. These are self-help books. And then we have like how to organize your home, which I am not good at. And this one I had to put here. It wouldn't fit anywhere else. But this is a book that I got when I went to Georgetown. And it is extremely helpful on like getting a job in the legal field, especially in the tax profession. So I always keep that on me just in case. Down here, we have like non-fiction-y stuff. So this is a poetry book. It's the only one that I have. Then we have 2 true crime books. Then we get into like memoirs. So we are like from here to, I want to say here because I think this is also like a memoir. Then we get into like just non-fiction-y things and historical stuff. Then more memoirs. Actually, I probably need to move these memoirs. See, this is really good to see. Okay, I definitely have space to put more stuff here if I would like. I'm not really a big nonfiction person, so that's why it's like not a ton of books. Okay, and then we have the writing craft here. So this is all about how to write the story. Okay, these are like little tools here. These are also tools to use. This down here is a tool. All of these are like related to grammar. So I wanted to put them in their own section. And then finally, we have books about like the publication process and the overall writing experience. Okay, and that is everything. We have fully organized this. I'm super excited and happy. And that is it for today. We will come back tomorrow and see what else we can tackle. Bye for now.